MiniMello! Yay! 5 little ducks went sailing one day, splashing through puddles on their way. They chased little bubbles that danced in the air, laughing and waddling without a care. Quack, 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 come sing along, wiggle your wings and join the song. Hop and splash, have lots of fun, happy little ducks love everyone. 4 little ducks found a kite so high, floating and twirling across the sky. They flapped their tiny wings and gave a happy cheer, watching it dance as it drifted near. Quack, 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 come sing along, wiggle your wings and join the song. Hop and splash, have lots of fun, happy little ducks love everyone. 3 little ducks saw a butterfly bright, dancing through flowers in the golden light. They twirled in circles and giggled with delight, playing together from morning till night. 2 little ducks found a treasure chest, filled with shiny pebbles they liked the best. They counted every sparkle, 1, 2, 3, sharing their treasures happily. 1 little duck stood by a tree, singing a cheerful melody. Soon all the duck friends gathered around, and happy quacks became the sound. Quack, 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 let's all be friends. Fun and laughter never end. Splash and dance beneath the sun. MiniMello fun for everyone. Happy little ducks love everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy playing with us, be sure to subscribe and like our channel. Press the bell icon for more fun and exciting videos. Bye-bye.